just got back from the holidays and I'm back into programming and teaching again. A lot of exciting things happened. For Christmas, my entire family chipped in and got me an Android phone, the One Plus, which is really cool because it's my first Android phone. I just bought a case off of Amazon, and when that arrives, I'll put it on and start using the Android phone as my main device for a while to get used to it, and hopefully port some of my apps over for it. Another exciting thing that happened was my game Pixel Blocked got greenlit on Steam. It was sort of surprising because I just got an email from Steam. It was like December 27th or something like that, and it was greenlit, and I was kind of surprised because it's been on Steam greenlight for over 2 years now, and I sort of I guess I kind of gave up on it. I didn't think it would ever get greenlit, so it was a huge shock for me. Then I kind of thought about it and thought about the importance of being greenlit now, and it's nice to have your game on Steam, but I think Steam is so flooded with indie games now that I'm still going to have the same problem of being noticed and people discovering the game and purchasing it. So I'm not too sure if that will help too much. 2 years ago, when it was heavily curated, it would have been really cool. But nowadays, I think I'll still have the same issues of visibility. Sometimes I think in my head that maybe Valve is like, hey, this game's been on greenlight for so long, we'll just greenlight it anyways. Because I don't think it was getting a lot of like yes votes or exposure, so yeah. So I didn't get much work done over the holidays, or not as much programming as I would have liked, but I was pretty confident I could release an app for January, given that I was going to cram these 4 days that I have, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, and just like focus on working on the app and kind of fix and implement the rest of the things I had planned. There was like 2 obstacles I needed to implement and a few minor bugs, and then I needed to add in the social stuff. And then by Sunday I was hoping to start taking pictures and getting the package ready for submission to Apple. But this morning my MacBook died on me. It won't turn on anymore, and it's unfortunate, but I'm gonna try and take it to the Apple store and see what they say. I've run my own kind of diagnostics on it, and I think it's something internal, like CPU, GPU, or motherboard. So we'll see what the damage is there, and if they can get it fixed fast enough, I can probably still get it submitted, and if not, this might be the first late app. So next week I'll be talking a little bit more about my past experiences and the journey that I've taken to get to where I am today. I just recently did a career workshop, and here's a short clip on that. Worked in a cubicle, and management was really bad. Actually, I have this really funny story with the way management is there. They don't really understand software engineering. So when it came time to crunch, what the manager did was he took the amount of bugs that were on the game, divided it by the amount of days we had left.
Oh my god, no.
And then he told the team that we had to kill 40 bugs a day before we could go home so that we could meet our deadline. Now, the thing with bugs is that a bug could be like a 10-minute fix, or a bug could take a whole day to fix. So there's really no sense of how long 40 bugs takes. And I remember the first day scrolling through the list of bugs and like looking for the easy ones so that we can meet our target. And I'd like, yeah, I can fix that. So we went home on time the first day. Second day, it started getting longer. We started staying later before we could go home. And about a week into it, all the like medium and hard bugs were left. And we weren't going home until like 12 midnight. And I remember getting emails on Friday when we came in and saying like, oh, we had to come in on Saturday because we weren't getting all of our bugs fixed. And then coming on Saturday and saying we had to come in on Sunday. And it was just really crazy. and I didn't enjoy it at all. Also, now that I'm being more active on social media, check me out on Instagram at Daniel Makes Games, Twitter also at Daniel Makes Games, and Facebook at IndieDevLife.